Good morning, my friends and family. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and it's great to have you. And thank you for checking out my channel. Today I am going to do another earthy painting that I'm using deep colors. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what colors I'm gonna be using, and then we'll get started. I'm using a another 12 by 16 canvas. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'll bring you down and show you the colors, and then we'll get started. Thank you for visiting, and it's great to see you. This here is my Artist Loft with Floetrol for my base. This is a mixture of crimson red, magenta, and purple, and a touch of Mars black. Here we have phthalo blue and green, and this is from Artista's phthalo blue and green with Floetrol and Liquitex medium and water. Okay, we have another beautiful paint here, another beautiful paint. This is a mixture of blue and this is a mixture of phthalo blue, ultra marine blue, Mars black, and iridescent violet. Very beautiful color. This here, look at this. This is so beautiful. It's a mixture of silver. These are all metal, like metallic paint. This is silver. I put some silver in here, a little bit of red, and I think bronze. Yeah, so that's very good. Very good color. Nice color. Okay, so we are going to start painting. So I have to paint a couple paintings and then go pick up my kids from summer camp. And this is cell activating. So basically this is just made with it calls for Amsterdam titanium white, but I didn't have titanium white. What I had was this pearl white, and I'm hoping that is gonna work. Amsterdam pearl white. So you're supposed to put 3 parts Floetrol and 1 part the paint. If you have titanium white, even better. And that's just to activate the cells at the point where you wanna see cells. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna need that. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm thinking I should add a tiny bit of gray on this paint, because I don't want my paint to be too white. So I'm gonna put a dash of gray in there, and then we'll see what happens. Well, I was looking for a pre-mixed gray color, but I can only find this Artista silver, and that's what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of silver in here in my white, just to kind of change the color a little bit. And if I need to change a little bit for another painting, I could do that by just adding a different color, like a brown color, to make it a little bit brown. But this is perfect. So let's go ahead and get started. And basically we're just gonna puddle it. Put a puddle in the middle. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. This is my cell activator here. So we're gonna just dip it in there like that. And run it through like that and see what happens. I'm not sure. Like I said, I wasn't sure if the pearl white would work the same as the titanium white, but it looks like it's working pretty good. and bring its beautiful creation out. And then after that, I think I'm gonna make one more before I go pick up the kids. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest and future videos. Share with your friends and family. And God bless. Bye.